Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to give you an assignment which is based on using do while loop in Java. So let's get started. As part of this assignment, you need to write a Java program by using this do while loop to print the characters from A to E. Okay, this Java program that you write with the help of do while loop should print in output the characters from A to E. So this is what is the assignment that you need to write the Java program for. So now you can pause this video and write the Java program as part of this assignment. Hoping that you have written the Java program and by using this do while loop, you are able to print the characters from A to E. Now, to check the answer, you can resume this video and you can watch my solution, guys. Okay, I'm going to give the solution and you can cross check your Java program with mine to see whether both are matching. If both are matching, you are good to go. Fine. So let me write the Java program to print the characters from A to E. So here I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Inside this main method, first I am going to declare the variable C. Let's say I'll take a random variable C and I'll declare this variable with char primitive data type. And to this, in single quotes, I'll assign the capital letter A character. Okay. So which is the first character to be printed, right? We have to start printing from A to E. So now I'll write since I have to use in this Java program, I need to use do while loop. I can use other loops also, but since as part of this assignment, it's clearly mentioned to use do while loop, I'll be using or writing do while loop here, okay, instead of other loops. Now here while C is less than or equal to, okay, C is less than or equal to E. Till E, right, I need to print yes, E. Put a semicolon here. Now inside this do while loop, I'll simply say system.out.println C. I'll print the character C and every time after printing this character, for example, in the first iteration, A will be printed. After that, I would like to increment the C by 1. So as per the ASCII table, okay, I covered this ASCII table thing in the previous sessions, right? One of the previous sessions, right? When A value will be incremented by 1, it will become B, okay? And so on till E it will run. So to understand how this program is working, you need to learn about the ASCII table, okay? ASCII table, how this plus plus is working here. So this is a solution, guys. Right click run as Java application to see whether A to E is getting printed or not in the output console. You see A, B, C, D, E is printed in the output console. Okay. So this is the solution or the Java program which you need to write in order to print the characters from A to E with the help of do while loop. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.